Hey guys, it is Andre and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this Friday the 23rd for the shop. I am really excited about this week's releases. We have some exclusive art, we have a photo kit, we have May monthly, we have another collection here. I'm just so excited to show you guys everything for this week. I am going to go ahead and do the same thing as I did last week. Last week on Friday, I did unlimited stock on the new releases for 3 hours. So that was really awesome. We like oversold mini kits by I think 2 or 3 times what we stocked. So we had to produce those over the weekend for you guys. But it worked out really well, and then it gave you some time to pick those up. So let's go ahead and get into the new releases. So the first thing that I have here is May monthly. So let me go ahead and flip to May so you know what we're looking at here. So if we open up May, there are the 2 spaces here that you need something to cover up because they aren't in the month. So you do have this freebie here with the flowers, and then if you move on, you have your top cover strips, some holidays and flags. Then we do have the little full boxes here along with the sidebar checklist, the icons, dates, and the little mini icons, and then the glitter strips on the bottom with the labels. So our normal setup. I am thinking about reformatting the monthlies starting for next month, June. So let me know what you guys want to see in here. I'm going to probably switch it up a little bit, but super excited about those. Then I also have the glitter version, and this is the Hello version, so this is the glitter version. Open this up. So you have the same strips, the ones with the holidays, which I always pick the holidays that are in the Erin Condren just to keep it simple, your sidebar, your icons and numbers with the glitter, and then your labels and stuff. And if I go too fast, I do have a picture of these. The second picture on the listing is a laid out version. It's a digital version though, so be aware of that, of all of the kits. So there's a digital version of those if you want to see those in a little bit of a clearer view. So that was the Hello version. So I forgot to go over, this also does have an option if you want to do the deco sidebar, which is super cute. It has a girl here with an umbrella and little rain boots if you want to do the deco sidebar add-on. And then also there is the personal monthly version of this one. So you do have the functional items here, and then you have the more decorative items on this page. So super cute. So that is for personal monthly planners. Also, we are doing a gift with purchase for the first 200 orders again, and it is one of these vinyl die cuts, and this is a sticker. I might switch to non-sticker ones in the future, but I haven't fully decided yet. I know for our next TN kit, the die cuts are going to be on glossy cardstock, and they look so nice. Actually, I think the print quality is even better than this. So this is just a really cute little TN. It will be available in the shop for purchase as well, but the first 200 orders in the main shop will get that in there on Friday at noon Eastern. Then I'll go ahead into the Hello collection. So this is the Hello collection for May. So I'll go over the Ultimate first. Super cute. Very May colors, but with like macaron tea party art. So you have your new freebie on the top. Let me zoom in a little. I did adjust the lighting, so I think last time it was a little bit too bright, so I did adjust it, so hopefully it is perfect this time. So you have your flags on the top, your deco, which is super duper cute. You have your little scribbles on the bottom, the trash, the balloon, and then the little workout one. This is the same format as last month, so you do have the little glitter spurts in the corner instead of the full glitter boxes. You have the glitter half boxes there, the glitter washi, the solid like labels, and the little things. You also have the glitter splatter on the ombre hair checklist, your full boxes with the Hello May. And then this time I did something a little bit different. So you do have the like faux double strip of washi, and I think this looks nice because it kind of breaks up the glitter a little bit more. So you do have the macarons on the top and then the ombre colors on the bottom, and then the ombre mimics in the date covers. So these are super cute as well. I used the date covers last week in my Marvelous spread and I loved it. I thought it turned out so cute with little foiled date dots. I thought it was perfect. So that is the ultimate. It also does come in a mini kit version. The mini kits usually do sell out first. They have been selling out in that 3-hour period. Usually the Hello ones last a little bit longer though. Not always, but most of the time. So this is the mini kit. Super cute. And that is the Hello May mini kit. And then I also do have the option if you want to add on the glitter. So there is the glitter sampler. I've also thought about doing the new glitter texture, but I know a lot of you guys do this for like a year, so I feel like my decisions have to kind of be like yearly decisions. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. I like to keep it this glitter to go the more textured, like rich looking glitter, but I could keep it this way. It doesn't really matter to me. So that is the Hello May. Then we'll go ahead into the photo kit. The photo kits are mini kit exclusives. Bloom sold so well. I was so surprised. It was kind of my deciding point if I was going up to do any more. I do have, I think, 3 or 4 other photo kits in production for the future. So this is a very purple collection. So you do have different hues of purple along with a gray and silver. So this one is just kind of similar to the Bloom, but in a purple color scheme with different kind of elements in there and silver accents. And it says every day is a fresh start, and this kit is called Fresh Start. You have silver splatters in the background of the check boxes, along with the weekend banner has the silver as well. And then you have your mini kit page with your half boxes and such. And then this page is like exclusive to photo kits for mini kits, and it has the date covers with the silver in the background, the faux double washi, and then the 2 habit trackers and the little bit of washi there. And that is the Fresh Start photo kit. I won't be doing photo kits in full kits, just because I think that it's a little much, and it's a little bit harder to format because there's no like deco or anything. But I will continue doing them as mini kits, and like I said, I do have a bunch already ready. This is a collection that is drawn by J. Crew, and it is called Jackpot, and it is a Vegas gambling girls night themed kit. I love it so much. I love the like neon type colors. I don't do a lot of kits with these like bright colors, but I think it's so fun with the mixture of the neons and the blacks. So you do have the really bright colors here, the purple glitter on the top. You have the 3 little scribblers down here, one holding a birthday cake, one like in a pile of money, and then one with champagne, which I thought was very great for like the theme of like Vegas. So you do have a lot of really cute deco up here. I think it turned out really cute. I did do a little bit of a glitter sprinkle in these boxes here. You have your glitter half boxes on this page, the all black washi with the patterns. Then you have your little things, solid washi and labels. I did do the same sprinkle effect in this ombre heart checklist, and then for the rest of them, I did the Vegas skyline in glitter, which is super cute. Really excited for that. And then here are the full boxes. I love these. Jessica did such a good job. I really love the Vegas sign and the girls, of course, and then also the slot machine. I just love it all actually, but super cute. And then you have the really pretty multicolored date covers, your extra full box here that says Admit 1 to Magic Mike Live. Oh my goodness, it's such a good show. And then you have the faux double washi here with the poker chips with like a little bit of the neon light in the background. It's very light, but it's super cute. And then you have the black brick on there as well. So that is the Jackpot Ultimate Kit. I am going to Vegas with Jessica actually for her mom's 50th birthday. I love her mom so much. For her mom's 50th birthday, and I'm definitely going to be using that kit for that week. I had like so many kits planned for that week. Like I think she had more kit options than I did for like my birthday week, which is crazy. So you have your freebie, your full boxes, your functional page, your little things, headers, half boxes, quarter boxes, and skinny appointment labels, and then your bottom washi, solid and pattern washi, habit trackers, and then your deco there as well. And that is the Jackpot mini kit. And then there is also the option if you do want to add on the glitter headers, which are like those neon bright colors. These are really fun glitter headers to have. And then also there is a personal washi add-on of the black brick. So that is jackpot. Oh, I totally forgot to show you guys. The glitter headers for Fresh Start are all silver, just like the other photo kit that had all of that like champagne gold. This has all silver glitter headers. So that's an a la carte add-on if you want to add that on. And last but not least, this was a last minute add-on, but I was just so excited when I saw this art that I was like, need to do it. To be honest, I was actually going to have art custom commissioned for Fantastic Beasts, but I thought this was so cute. And then it kind of opens up another custom slot for something else that I want to do. So I decided to go a little bit kind of like greenish with this. This reminds me color-wise a lot. I can't think of what the kit name was, but it was like a nautical kit, I believe. If you can hear Bennett, he's like talking to himself in the background. It's like a nautical kit. Maybe it was called like sand or like beach or something. But that's what the colors remind me of. It's like a teal, a darker teal, a more muted teal, a gray, and then a sand, which I think is really, really nice with the mixture of the gold. So you do have a ton of deco on the top, super cute. And then down here you have your little wizard Scribbler girls, super, super adorable. I'm just like absolutely in love with them. They're so cute. Then we do have this page here. So the accents, instead of putting the glitter in the background, I did do the glitter on the outlines of the items, so that like the Monday through Sunday, and then the little hearts, along with the glitter weekend banner. There's also glitter accents on the habit tracker and glitter half boxes. And you can see the glitter throughout. So you have your pattern washi on the top there, your little things. And then again with the glitter hearts. And then here are the full boxes, very bold, a lot of gold. That's why I kept everything a little bit more simple, didn't throw a lot of glitter or anything on that. You have some marble in the background. You have gold splatters, gold paint strokes. I love it so much. I think it's super cute. I did think that this was a little bit like, it didn't really go with the colors, but this is the color of the beast. So I was like, we needed to leave that in there. So I did go ahead and tie that in with the bottom washi so that it kind of like had another element in the kit so that it wasn't totally off. So that is the bottom washi. You have the faux washi with the bows and the marbles. And then you also have the gold glitter on the date covers. And then I did do like all of the beasts coming out of the little briefcase, which I thought was really cute. And again, to like add in that really colorful beast, which I thought was really beautiful. So you need to leave that in there. So that is fantastic. Super, super cute. Then I'll show you guys the mini kit real quick. So excited for this. And I also really like the little labels. You can also tell kind of for a while at least what kits have been done and what kits I just did, because like these ones still have these labels. Do you have any ones that have been older labels or no? No. Okay, so yeah, like this one still has like the older label. This one has like the newer label with that white strip. I think it looks so chic. I'm so into it. It's just the little things for me that make me so happy. My battery is running low. So I have the sampler, the full boxes. I'm just in love. I think this guy's so cute. And the little book stack and the girls. Love them. Then you have your glitter accents on there again. Super cute. Your half boxes and your bottom washi, pattern washi, deco and stuff like that. It's so cute. So that is the fantastic mini kit. Super, super cute. And then this kit also does come with the option of the glitter sampler and the patterned personal washi. So, and that's all gold. I thought that would look really, really pretty with the kit with all the different colors in it. So that is the last collection I had to show you guys, but that is everything, I believe. So these are all coming to the shop this Friday at noon Eastern. Again, there is a gift with purchase for the first 200 orders. It's that little planner. Where did it go? Little planner vinyl die cut sticker. So if you want to get that, if you are in the first 200 orders, you get it. Or if you want to purchase them, I will have them in the shop to purchase. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this new release video. Also, let me know what you guys would like to see changed in the monthly kit. I feel like it just needs a little bit of a facelift as far as the format goes, but I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.